Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to properly set a stop loss and take profit in Webull so we can manage trades efficiently and protect our capital. Once we open the Webull app or desktop platform, we'll go to our watch list or position tab and select the stock or assets we want to trade. We'll then click trade and choose either buy or sell. Before placing the order, we'll look for the option called take profit or stop loss. We'll tap on it and this opens a new window where we can set both levels. The take profit section let us choose the exact price we want to sell if the market moves in our favor. We can type the target price or use the percentage slider to adjust the profit level easily. Then, in the stop loss section, we'll input the price at which we want Webull to automatically close our position if the market goes against us. Once both are centered, the app will display the estimated profit and loss amounts so we can visualize our potential outcome. Before confirming, we'll double-check the order type. Make sure it's a limit or market order depending on your preference. Then, once we're satisfied, we'll tap confirm. From this point, Webull tracks everything automatically. The system will close our trade either when the target is hit or when the stop is triggered, ensuring we stay disciplined. This setup is especially useful when we can't watch charts all day, and it's the simplest way to automate risk management and stay consistent in trading. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam-free.